What I'm doing here today is changing out the marker light on a 2012 Ford Escape, and as you can see from the inside here, you cannot access it from the engine compartment. You can change the other two bulbs, the turn signal and the headlamp, but the marker light, you need to come over here and pull this inner fender well down and take and remove that light. Okay, to remove these push pins, it's pretty helpful if you have one of these little forked panel removing tools. If you don't have one of these little tools, what you'll need to do is in the center piece here, take a small flat blade screwdriver, pull up the center, and then take a larger screwdriver and put it underneath and then pry that out. And there is one push pin located on the back side over here in that little crease there. Okay, so if your hand is small enough, you just need to, you can leave the tire on here. Now that those push pins are removed and those two screws, you can just take this inner fender well here, push it down, reach up in there, and take and turn the bulb assembly there 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and it'll pull out. Okay, there is the wiring harness going up to the bulb thing there. You just turn that 1/4 turn counterclockwise, it'll come out. There will be enough wire to hang out so you can switch the bulb out, and then go ahead and push it back in, and then turn it 1/4 turn clockwise, and it'll be locked in there. And we'll just take and pop our little inner fender well there back in, and we'll go ahead and push those push pins in, lock it in, and then put our two screws in there. There's one here and then one back there, and we're all done. Okay, reinstalling that, we'll just go ahead and push that in there with the centerpiece sticking out, and then push the centerpiece in and it'll lock it in. We'll do that on all the rest of them. The alternative method would be to entirely remove this. This is near the ground here, and you would have to take a couple of those bolts out right here, and then there's a couple more right here, and then you could pull that after you take those push pins out, pull that fender skirt away. Then you would have to lay on the ground and then reach all the way up there to get that wiring harness and replace the bulb.